A to Z animals named for kids.
A is for alligator.
A is for alligator.
B is for bear.
B is for bear.
C is for cat.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for flamingo.
F is for flamingo.
G is for gorilla.
G is for gorilla.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I is for iguana.
I is for iguana.
J is for jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
K is for kangaroo.
K is for kangaroo.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for narwhal.
N is for narwhal.
O is for octopus.
O is for octopus.
P is for penguin.
P is for penguin.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
R is for raccoon.
R is for raccoon.
S is for snake.
S is for snake.
T is for turtle.
T is for turtle.
U is for unicorn.
U is for unicorn.
V is for vulture.
V is for vulture.
W is for walrus.
W is for walrus.
X is for xenops.
X is for xenops.
Y is for yak.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to introduce us to your friends.